Hey there! Welcome back. In this video, we will be covering steps 21 to 30. Let's continue with step 21, shall we? Previously, we used an unordered list in our code. Now, let's add items to it using li tag. Items are catnip, laser pointers, and lasagna. I guess the catnip, right? And since when did cats start liking lasagna? Well, as you can see in the preview page that our items are listed as pointers. Okay, let's head to next step. Step 22. Looks like they are emphasizing the fact that cats like lasagna. Hence they want us to add a new image of lasagna. Yeah, good move. Or else I wouldn't have believed it. Would you? We need to add an image tag below the list of things cats love, with an alternate attribute as a slice of lasagna on a plate. Whoa, I can't blame Cat for liking it. It looks scrumptious. Moving ahead to step 23. In case people didn't already figure out that it's a picture of lasagna yet, let's caption our image. To do that, we use figure element. The figure element represents self-contained content and will allow you to associate an image with a caption. So let's first nest our lasagna image with a figure element. Step 24. To describe our lasagna image contained within the figure element, we need to use figure caption or fig caption element. So let's add a fig caption element to our image. That's right below the image tag with the text set to cats love lasagna. I hope all your doubts about whether cats love lasagna have been resolved. As you can see in the preview, that's where a caption is placed below an image. Step 25. I guess you still have doubts about cat loving lasagna. We need to make sure you believe it by hook or crook by the end of this video. Since love is the main point, we need to place an emphasis element on this word to emphasize it. If you look at the preview, love word is set to italic mode. That's emphasizing for you. Step 26. Since we listed the things cats love, we also need to list the top 3 things that cats hate. So after the figure element, we need to add another H3 element with the text, top 3 things cats hate, : Step 27. To list top 3 things cats hate, we need an ordered list or OL. The list items in an ordered list are numbered when displayed. So cats hate flea treatment, thunder, and other cats, huh? Step 28. Let's just add another figure element below the list. Step 29. We know how to add an image element, right? We just need to nest an image tag with a source attribute set to the given cat photo link within the figure element. Also, don't forget image in a self-closing element. Step 30 already? Let's not forget to add alternate attribute to our image to improve its accessibility. Our webpage looks so far so good. We covered step 21 to 30 in this video. Stay tuned for upcoming steps. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you geniuses in the next one.